Menteri Ketenak Tourism ke Sarkar Jela ubak polling do hak arpusan trik naitung ulah yar jurip ya ke jinglong jingman bat ke rukom long ke jingte ya ke hospitality complex ke badan hat Lasken West Giant Hills District. Hakini ke jing yar jurip lasendran lang ya menteri da MLA ke nartiang ubalong usumbut menteri rangba ke Jela umasnya balang dhar MLA ke Jawai mawailat Miki Shila ki officer Ketenak Tourism PWD na lor kiwei. Ya ka hospitality complex ka badan hat Lasken ka ba ka jingtei kadang ya syai lamang ha ka jinglut ka balai punri kulur tingka. Kumju ubak pol ulale jurip ru ya ka Orchid Inn ya ka ba kan sayok pisa syuk sa kendai kulur tingka lingba ka Asian Development Bank. Syua kini ubak pol ulale jengok ya ka Eco Tourism Project kabadon ha pedeng mukim wa ya jer ya ka ba ka shnong kala ais ngobhasan pusan hektar ka jaka syaka sorkar ban kentiu ya ka kam jengok kai perthai ha kini kathan. Ubak pol ula pentip ba ka projek ka bayade berka spiritual tourism kabadon ha ka shnong nartiang ka bahab hapok ka Swadesh Darshan scheme jong ka Ministry of Tourism la debban yo ya ka mangtingka ka ba arpusan klur. Ubak pol ukmi lenti ba barok kini ki projek on la ban pendep ha kapor ka babiang kenang bakan long ka jing mentoy ki pajba kumju ban lam syakan jing nang kentiu ha ka jing wan ki nong syangkai bat ban kentiu ya ka jing yo kam yo jam ki nong shong shnong naka kam jengok kai.
This is near the stadium, this one development in Wayajia. In the stadium there's a restaurant now. It's almost complete, sir. Almost complete, almost 100%. Some of them, some finishing works. And then we have also scheme. And then Vailara is already completed.
We started the day.
Yeah.
What's pending?
There's some of them spending, sometimes yeah.
Always in the box.
Because we'll be late already by 1 year.
And you know our election is 27. If it remain any people will blame us as haunted house. I will be responsible for that. But any in 1 year before the censorship year. It look good, no? It look good also.
Plus national games are coming up. No, 27.
Yeah.
They are also doing hostel for the national. I think trust me, we are actually we are. That's why I'm here. Like almost 25 days a month. Everything that is.
Ini dah kemudian
And we by October next year, and you work according to the
All are working together.
we will resolve the best for the state. Kami dengan
dan kita lihat di sana even tadi macam it's a soft kind of terrain.
nani na kajong view na tuna view pun punta gil kom view kani tenan
Greenery, lush greenery.
Apa lalu? Water sources
ada umle
Auto hawak lah benar ayu activities tu.
Laban le ai dam sang le bentaga boating area kemudian bangsin
ini pikir tas bet
Thank you.
motion. Go, lo que se reciba.